Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best wood floor polishes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Hardwood Products FW0016 Wood Polish and Conditioner. This is known as one of the best floor polishes available. Customer reviews on this product are pretty positive. Hardwood Products Wood Polish is a perfect way of offering protection and luster to hardwood floors, furniture, antiques, and cabinets. This product introduces conditioning oils that help the wood while providing a protective coating of beeswax and carnauba wax. Number 2. Our second best pick is Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Finish and Polish. This multi-surface polish takes the 8th spot on our best hardwood floor polishes list. Quick Shine Hardwood Polish is used for hardwood floors, vinyl, stone, and laminate tiles. It comes in a squirt bottle. It's fast and easy to use since all you have to do is squirt it on the floor and polish the floor with a mop. When done, your floor will have a rich and deep glow, making it look as good as new. It is primarily plant-based, so it is safe for kids and pets. In some cases, it causes a thick buildup on the floor. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bona Hardwood Floor Polish. This floor polish is one of the most widely used hardwood floor polishes. Many professionals in the hardwood industry recommend Bona Hardwood Floor Polish for our hardwood floors. It is certified by Green Guard. It fills in the usual micro scratches and shields against wear and tear. How to apply Bona Floor Polish. Like other floor polishes, you need to rid your floors of dust and debris. Besides vacuum cleaning, you must clean the floors using a good floor cleaning liquid. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Weiman Wood Floor Polish and Restorer. This hardwood floor polish is specifically formulated to guarantee long-lasting results and a beautiful shine. This product is designed to remove scratches while forming a protective scratch-resistant layer on your floor. This polish can be used on any finished hardwood surface. The Weiman polish doesn't contain harmful volatile organic compounds, so it's safe to use around kids or pets. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Rejuvenate Professional Wood Floor Restorer and Polish. This is one of the best hardwood floor polishes available. Rejuvenate Professional Wood Floor Polish is often used to fill in scratches on our hardwood floors, restores the hardwood gloss, and protects the hardwood flooring. It creates a bond with the existing finish on your hardwood floors to resist stains and spills with no buildup of wax. Rejuvenate Professional Wood Floor Polish is perfect for all residential and commercial hardwood floors. It is pretty easy to apply on hardwood floors. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.